Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to save a customized view of your data on monday.com. First, customize your board's view by applying filters, sorting options, and adjusting column visibility as needed. Make sure the board is displaying the data exactly how you want it to appear in your saved view. Click on your profile from the top right corner and select Import Data. Select a board that you want to import and use monday.com. Let us continue by selecting Excel sheet. Then click on Browse Files and upload your customized view. Click on Let's customize your new board to start customization. Once done, click on Next and select Create Board. Once you have customized the board to your liking, save it. By saving customized views on monday.com, you can easily switch between different configurations of your data without having to manually reapply filters, sorts, and column settings each time. This feature is particularly useful for teams with diverse workflows and data management needs. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.